I hope this is helpful for you guys. You want to make sure that your bench is at or below your knee height. If it's at or above your knee height, it's going to throw off your hip placement. And when you are getting yourself set up, you want to place yourself so that you can obviously put your back foot on that bench. The ankle should be right at the edge of the bench or chair so that you can just drop back and let your ankle rotate around. You want to have a slight bend in the standing leg, glutes and abs are engaged. You want to be able to pick up your back leg. So most of the weight is here on the front leg, allowing yourself to go back and then forward. When you are in this motion, making sure that you are thinking about getting a bigger stretch out of the glute. The first one is you could do a quad dominant split squat. In that sense, you'll be a little bit further forward. You are going to be a little bit more upright here, so my quad is doing a lot of the work. If I want to do more glute focus, we're gonna have a shorter stance. We're gonna slide the hips straight back. We're looking for the biggest stretch out of this glute as we can, as possible. My back knee is driving straight down. Nice straight spine, shoulders pinched back. We can hold weight either here. If we hold it in goblet style, we're gonna be a little bit more upright. It's gonna be a little bit more quad dominant. Arms by the side, a little bit more glute dominant. All the way up, all the way down. When you come up out of your Bulgarian, you want to think that you're driving through your heel of that standing leg and really squeezing your glutes and your abs at the top.